Risk control matrix, from the inherent to the residual risk. Once the risks are identified through the risk control matrix, the results are to be considered considering the organization's risk appetite or risk tolerance. If the risks identified are more than the organization's risk appetite, the CAE should take necessary steps to reduce the risks. Raising the concerns in the audit report or meetings with the senior management are a few of the possible courses of action. Organizations can choose to take care of the identified and prioritized risk in several different manners, including avoidance, identifying ways to prevent risk exposure; reduction of control, setting up the internal controls for minimizing the potential negative impacts of risk and uncertainty, or training the organization's employees concerning how to recognize potential risks and the subsequent response to prevent damage and reduce the fallout; sharing or transfer, sharing or transferring the risk to insurance or other parties through a contractual arrangement; acceptance, accepting the risk because a response would not be cost-effective, or identifying alternative ways to manage the risk, such as establishing contingency plans. A particular risk response that leaves significant residual risk relative to risk appetite levels will be a higher priority than a risk that has been minimized to below the risk appetite level in a dependable manner, such as the use of insurance from a financially stable and reputable insurer. The CAE needs to make decisions for applying audit function resources based on the significance of risk and exposure related to the achievement of organizational strategy and objectives. During validation of the risk priorities, in addition to the analysis of risk and responses discussed above, other factors need to establish the priority of engagement. These factors include financial impact, asset liquidity, management competence, quality of internal controls, degree of change or stability, time of last audit engagement, complexity, and employee and government relations.